So in this video I'm going to show you how we are going to replace this button for this J260. This video can also be used as well for the J250. Well, actually I did a video on how to turn on the phone without using the power button. I will put that video link in the description, so if you want to see how to turn on the phone without the power button, in that video you will see how to do just that very easily. So in this video we are going to carefully remove the screen and we are going to replace the power button for this device. So what you need to do, you need to heat up the screen. Something thin, and you want to gradually get underneath the screen. Then you want to use a plastic tool. You want to use it to just move around the edges to free up the edges. And then you want to heat around. You want to be very careful because for this model the ribbon is at the top. So you want to lift up, and when you lift up you want to go under the screen itself. And the screen is actually off, so as you can see the screen is off. But what we have to do, we have to unplug the screen from the back, just like that, and then remove the entire screen. So the screen is removed, and what we need to do is to take out all the screws. What we'll be doing here, we're going to open the middle frame. We do have some glue in the area, so I gotta get those out from who keeping us back. Okay, so should be able to take this out. The glue is what is kind of keeping us down. We're gonna get this out, and you gotta take this out carefully. One of the things while working on this model is that sometimes the motherboard separates from the back cover. Because of that you can break the board, so let's just release the board from inside. Okay, as you can see, as we are trying to get this out, the glue actually, yeah, the glue have us locked in. So yeah, you're gonna get out. You gotta be careful on this side. So you gotta take it like this. Take it like this. So this seems to be a tight one. Very tight. How are you gonna get it out? We just gotta take our time. Okay. Okay, so this will never been opened before. So we have been removing the back so far. Let's take our time. Basically, we are almost out. Almost out. You can see where the motherboard is stick to the back frame, and that is not supposed to happen. That is not supposed to happen. It's not supposed to be on, supposed to be at the back of this frame. So can we rectify that? The thing is, all the screws are already out, so we should be safe. Removing this. Yeah, it's very tight. Probably the first time removing. So this is the headphone jack. You can always replug that back on. Okay, so just like this is how it's supposed to be on the back of this. This is how it's supposed to be, and this goes here like that. We're going to replace those buttons. If you look at it, just want you to have a close look at what is the problem here. You can see that the inner piece is wasted down. So because of that, it's not pressing the way it should. So this is wasted. It's wasted down. So we want to replace it with this one. Need to ensure that this one fits perfectly. So as you can see here, we replace it. So I think that we'll have to clean up the edges. We are going to connect the screen and then we are just going to do a test. We are just going to do a test just to see if the button works. If it works, then we put up the phone. If not, we get a different button and then we try a different button. So let's go ahead and see if the phone turns on or not. So as you can see, the phone is turning on. So let's see. The button is working. So we can put the phone up. As you can see, it's working. And that's what we need to know. So all that we need to do, we need to put back in all the screws. So guys, I'm going to clean off all the old adhesive. So guys, I just clean off the adhesive and we are going to apply some adhesive around. some of the adhesive went down here. We don't want that. We don't want that, because if we stick the area where the screen has to go, when we want to remove the screen in the future, it'll be difficult. That will cause the screen to damage. So this should do. Yeah, do this at your own risk. It's very fragile. Okay, so I need this to go in this hole here. So what we're going to be doing, we are going to connect the screen, then we're going to put back the plastic. Also, I believe that this one fell out while we were working. Lights. So basically this is finished. The button is working, and we just need to leave the phone screen to stick and to cure. So guys, I'm Lens, and if this one was helpful, you can go right ahead, like, share and subscribe.